Have you been noticing strange signs lately? Have you felt an unusual energy around your heart, a feeling that someone is thinking about you deeply, even when they are far away? If you clicked on this message today, it may not be a coincidence. The angels want you to know that something emotional is happening behind the scenes. Your person is going through a powerful transformation, and what they are experiencing right now is more intense than you can imagine. The angels say this is not a joke. Your person is crying while packing their bags for you, and the reason behind their tears is touching, emotional, and deeply connected to the love they feel for you. For a long time, your person tried to hide their emotions. They convinced themselves that they could move forward without expressing what was truly in their heart. They acted strong. They pretended not to care. They distracted themselves with work, responsibilities, and daily routines. But deep inside, they never stopped thinking about you. Every memory remained alive within them. Every conversation, every smile, every special moment stayed in their heart. Even when they appeared distant, their soul remained connected to yours. Now something has changed. The universe has been creating circumstances that force your person to face their true feelings. They can no longer run from what their heart knows. They can no longer ignore the powerful connection that exists between you. As they prepare for a major step forward, emotions are overflowing. They are looking at their belongings, making plans, organizing their life, and preparing for a journey that feels bigger than anything they have ever experienced before. And yes, they are crying. But these are not tears of weakness. These are tears of realization. These are tears that come from finally understanding how much you truly mean to them. The angels want you to understand something important. Sometimes people cry not because they are sad, but because they finally see the truth. Your person is beginning to realize how much time has been lost. They are realizing how many opportunities pass by because of fear, doubt, insecurity, or confusion. As they look toward the future, they cannot help but feel emotional about everything that happened along the way. They are thinking about the moments when they should have spoken up. They are thinking about the times when they wanted to reach out but stopped themselves. They are thinking about all the love they carried inside while pretending everything was fine. Their heart feels overwhelmed because they know they are standing at the edge of a brand new chapter. The angels are asking you not to worry if things have felt slow recently. Divine timing is always at work, even when you cannot see it. Behind the scenes, the universe has been removing obstacles. Old fears are being released. Old wounds are being healed. Old patterns are coming to an end. Your person is becoming someone new. The tears they are shedding today are helping them release the emotional baggage that has weighed them down for far too long. Every tear is washing away fear. Every tear is clearing confusion. Every tear is opening space for love. The angels want you to know that your connection has never been forgotten. Even during periods of silence, your soul remained connected to theirs. Even when communication seemed impossible, energetic bonds continue to grow stronger. There is a reason you have not been able to completely forget this person. There is a reason their energy keeps appearing in your thoughts. There is a reason your heart continues to feel pulled toward them. Your soul recognizes something important. Your soul knows that this connection was never ordinary. At this very moment, your person is thinking about what life could look like with you by their side. They are imagining shared memories. They are imagining conversations that last for hours. They are imagining laughter, peace, comfort, and emotional security. For the first time in a long time, they are allowing themselves to dream again. And those dreams involve you. The angels say that many of the tears your person is crying come from gratitude as well. Deep inside, they are thankful that this connection survived everything it has been through. They are thankful that fate never completely separated your paths. They are thankful that love remained alive despite challenges. And they are thankful for the possibility of a future that still exists. Sometimes people do not fully appreciate a blessing until they almost lose it. Your person has learned this lesson. They now understand your value. They now understand your importance. They now understand what your presence means in their life. This realization is creating a powerful emotional breakthrough. The angels are asking you to stay patient during this process. Do not allow temporary delays to convince you that nothing is happening. Some of the most important transformations occur in silence. Seeds grow beneath the surface before anyone sees the flowers. Likewise, your person's heart has been growing and changing in ways that were invisible until now. The emotional release they are experiencing is proof that healing is taking place. The angels also want you to focus on yourself during this period. Continue building your confidence. Continue pursuing your goals. Continue becoming the best version of yourself. Remember that love flows most easily when both people are aligned with their highest selves. Trust that every step you take toward personal growth is also strengthening your future connection. You do not need to chase. You do not need to force. You do not need to control every detail. Allow the universe to handle what is beyond your control. Your role is to remain open, hopeful, and ready to receive. The angels say that your energy has already made a powerful impact on your person. Even when you were unaware of it, your strength inspired them. Your kindness touched them. Your presence changed them. You helped awaken emotions they thought they had buried forever. Now those emotions are guiding them toward action. As they continue packing their bags, they are not simply preparing for a physical journey. They are preparing for an emotional journey. They are preparing to leave behind fear. They are preparing to leave behind excuses. They are preparing to leave behind old versions of themselves. And most importantly, they are preparing to move closer to the truth that has been calling them all along. That truth is love. The angels want you to receive this message with faith rather than doubt. Do not focus on what has not happened yet. Focus on what is unfolding. Focus on the growth. Focus on the healing. Focus on the signs that continue appearing around you. The universe is always communicating with those who are willing to listen. And today's message carries a simple reminder. Your story is not over. Your connection is not forgotten. Your prayers have been heard. Your hopes have not been ignored. Something meaningful is developing behind the scenes. The tears your person is shedding today are not the end of a story. They are the beginning of a new one. A story filled with honesty. A story filled with courage. A story filled with emotional truth. The angels are surrounding both of you with healing energy and divine guidance. Trust the process. Trust the timing. Trust the journey. Most importantly, trust your heart. Because the love that is meant for you will never permanently miss you. And if this message found you today, take it as a reminder that miracles often begin quietly, long before they become visible. Your person is awakening. Your person is healing. Your person is preparing. And according to the angels, the reason they are crying while packing their bags is simple. For the first time, they fully understand how deeply they love you. And that realization is changing everything.